Today we follow a day in the life of a Japanese koi breeder. Let me introduce you to Tamikazu Kobayashi, a koi breeder from Niigata prefecture in western Japan. Today we follow the breeder during his participation in a very important koi show. Kobayashi San is from the N&D koi farm, which stands for Nishikigoi Niigata Direct. Today he and his team will participate in one of the biggest koi shows in the region, the Nagaoka Koi Show. It is early in the morning when the first koi are caught from the inner ponds. The fish are optimally prepared to participate in the show in a safe and healthy environment. Hundreds of shows around the world take place every single year. Here in Japan, winning a prize is just that little bit more special. That is because the judges on this show are the breeders themselves. The fish are judged on various points: length, body shape, skin quality and pattern. If the fish scores the highest on each item, it will win the grand prize. A nice and important detail is that all the koi that have been used on this show are owned by people from all over the world. Under the title Dealer Show, only fish that have already been purchased by hobbyists may be used. For annual payment, the breeders ensure that the fish can grow up in the most ideal conditions. Of course, under the supervision of the breeder. Whether you live in America, China or the desert, anyone can raise his or her fish in Japan if the breeder also estimates the fish according to that potential. The fish are packed very carefully and transported to the show area. It is time to unload them. Every team member is working with a lot of focus to transport the koi from the truck to the showgrounds. Once arrived at the show, Kobayashi San start unloading the fish. Especially the last part has to go right to prevent something going wrong. N&D has reserved several koi feds for their fish they use. The fish are never mixed with those of other breeders. This is kept strictly separate. While the judges have to get to work, the tension starts to become visible on everyone. The breeder can see which fish have been used and can estimate their chances. While the entire team of N&D consults with each other, the final result comes. As proud as Kobayashi is, he stands with his fed. He has won the biggest prize with his fish, the Grand Champion. Before Corona, the prizes were awarded with many guests from all over the world. Today it is different, small but intimate.
おめでとうございます。
ごめんなさい、やめようということ食べないか。イカさん行く？
It's time to pack up all the koi and bring them back to the farm. This will give the breeder some extra time to take a good look at them when they are back.
ここで、こうやってハウスの水を入れて温度合わせをしています。ゆっくり温度合わせ。
ジャンプしないように聞いてありますね。水はあんまり強くないですかね。
デイハウスからも出るし、22番からも出るから。
2番じゃねえの？